SacRT and the Sacramento Public Library launched Sacramento's first rolling library train during an event at the Cosumnes River College Station on August 31st.
Thank you for joining us today for the launch of SacRT's Rolling Library.
The brightly decorated train promotes writing and reading. When you step aboard the library train, you feel like you've been transported into a library.
We are bringing together RT that connects communities in Sacramento for work and play, homes, and then we're also connecting the library in a sense that provides knowledge and information and resources. So we're putting this together in a really imaginative way.
Today, we are taking a step forward by completely transforming a car inside and out with interactive educational material. I want to thank the Sacramento Public Library for working with our RT staff, and thank you to our staff to launch this rolling library train.
This is a great partnership between two organizations that are looking far beyond what their traditional role is as a transit agency and as a library to do something that's special.
SacRT and the library have a very similar mission, and that mission is to get people to where they need to go, whether that's physically or intellectually. And our hope is that people will ride these trains and learn more about the library services and understand that they can take their life where they want to go.
When I think about the things that I want every constituent in my district and across the city to have access to, two of those things are public transit and libraries. And this is such an amazing, innovative idea to make sure that we're bringing those two essential community services together, that we're increasing access for all of those students who ride.
And if this isn't an example of what we need to do, standing next to a boulevard that is congested, next to the light rail where we need to read, and trying to address our climate change issues, this right now is an example of what partnership is about.
The train features artwork on the walls, and seatbacks resemble books on shelves. Riders can find hidden gems on those bookshelves featuring QR codes to free downloadable materials from the Sacramento Public Library. Riders simply take out their phone and scan the QR code, which takes them to different library resources that they can access for free. The rolling library train travels on both blue and gold light rail lines. To learn more, visit sacrt.com/rollinglibrary.